Hey there, my name's Kayla. I just wanted to shoot you guys a quick video on kind of show you some things that you could do to really drive in more traffic. And I noticed, like, at first when I was doing some research, I thought you guys were more of like a Pittsburgh roofer, but looking at your website, it really looks like you guys are going, nationwide, which is amazing. That's super awesome. So I kind of just I'm going to take a little bit of a different approach here in my video. I usually show you how to target the area that you're in, but with it being nationwide, there's so much opportunity, so many more things, to do to rank in as many cities as you want to rank in. But I want to start just kind of giving a little bit of overview or foundation before I start throwing words out there. This is the Google Map Pack. So your Google My Business page is going to be ranked within the Google Map Pack section. So this is one type of ranking. And then the second type of ranking is your actual organic listings, which is anything below that actual Map Pack box. So Map Pack box, organic rankings down here. And there's going to be, three main things that I talk about here today. One is going to be citations. So real quick, citations are basically just your company name, phone number, and address listed on other platforms throughout the internet. And those citations are really what drive this Google Map Pack ranking. The more and the better citations you have, the better your site's going to rank. And your organic listing absolutely plays a part in it as well, but those citations are really the main thing that you want to get. So really finding out what citations your competitors have, and then obviously going and getting those plus extra and better ones, because we always want to be 2 steps ahead, of course. So the other two things are really your content and keywords, and then backlinks. And I'll get into backlinks here in a little bit, but content, as far as it goes, Google's really looking for about 2,000 words on your homepage. And I can tell, from looking at this, you definitely don't have 2,000 words, but that is okay. I mean, we can, always add content, no problem. And then you definitely want to have keyword-rich content throughout your site in all your pages. And you guys offer a lot of services, storm damage, inspections, and, I work in insurance too. Like, this is KO Marketing is my business that I'm getting up and running, but I am an insurance underwriter. So I tell people all day long, you need a roofing contractor to come look at your roof. You need your roof cleaned off. You need that moss cleaned off. You need, a partial replacement. You need a full replacement. I see it all the time. I mean, the roofing industry is huge right now. And I know a lot of places and companies are booming and don't want to take on any more work. And that's fine. I can't, provide value to people that don't need more clients. I need to work with people that are looking to grow as well. And as far as I can tell, it looks like you guys are really looking to grow because you're targeting multiple areas. And I see, is this okay? So where you've completed jobs. Okay, that's awesome. You guys are definitely all over. That's great. And I would love to help you rank in, some of these cities. So what I was going to show you is basically just where you guys are at right now, and then how, just like a brief overview of how I would like start looking into other areas where there's a lot of potential to rank quickly and become that area's #1 organically ranked website, bringing in almost all of the search volume. So I just wanted to show you guys where you're at on some of these, targeted areas. So Michigan roofing, #5, that's not bad at all. You really want to be 1 through 3, but 5, I mean, that for Michigan, coming from like a Pittsburgh located company, not bad at all. And Roofing Restoration Services of America. So #2 for that's, a nationwide keyword phrase. So that's also excellent. Okay, Mansfield Roofing, 16. So you're on like bottom of page 2. Absolutely could, get you up there, get you that 250 search volume. Roofers Michigan, 14. So I'm going to show you guys, instead of going into like competitors and showing you where competitors are at, because obviously we know, like, if we're number 14 or Battle Creek Roofing, if we're number 14, we know our competitors are number 1, 2, and 3. Of course, we want to see what they're doing and outdo them. And I told you I'd mention backlinks a little later. So obviously we're going to want to beat them when it comes to organic keywords, but we also want to beat them when it comes to backlinks. And backlinks are really just other websites linking back to your site. But not all backlinks are made the same. It's definitely quality over quantity when it comes to about 93 referring domains. So of course, when we are looking at competitors, we're going to want to see how many referring domains they have, and then even more so, like, drill down into exactly what domains they are. And that way we know we can go and get stronger domains and, better ones with more authority. Because the more authority your referring domains have, the more authority it's giving your website, telling Google, this is a trustworthy site. We're going to, we want to rank this site when it comes to certain keywords that people are looking for. I apologize. This is always so much slower when I'm recording. But I just kind of wanted to show you how, we can look into the back end of anybody's website and see, okay, they have some pretty good backlinks. Like, they only have a few zeros, which really, they're not getting any authority from these sites. But these are some pretty well-ranked sites that are linking back to, oh, this is your site. So, you don't have a lot of, like, garbage backlinks. You have pretty solid backlinks, which is great. We just want to get you more, and specifically, like, looking at the competitors in the areas that you want to become the number one roofing company in that area and outdo them, be 2 steps ahead of where they're at. So what I'm going to show you here, we can look up, basically we can find where the search volume is, where it would not be difficult to rank you in a shorter period of time versus the areas that would take a little bit of time, because there's, roofing lead generations are very saturated. So there are going to be areas that's going to take a lot longer to get you ranked in that number 1 spot. But why not start with, like, the low-hanging fruit? I'm going to look up roofing companies and see what pops up here. I'm going to go and look at my keywords. And what I'm really doing here, I'm just looking to see what cities are coming up. So, like, roofing companies, Waco, Texas. So I know this is searched 300 times a month. And I know that the keyword difficulty to rank for this word is a 3. That's fairly low. You could absolutely rank your website in the top 3 spots in a couple months easily. El Paso, 9, a little bit harder, will definitely take a few more months. 250 search volume. But the thing is, like, it can be done. None of it's done overnight, but it absolutely can be done. There's so many opportunities in these areas. Dallas, Texas, definitely a harder keyword to rank for. But if you want that 200 volume, let's do it. Let's start trying to rank for that word. Roofing companies, Colorado Springs. 5 is the keyword difficulty, but they're getting 200 search volume. So same kind of thing. Springfield, Missouri. So if these are areas that, you want to target, we can do that. I would absolutely want to sit down or, just have that conversation with you guys to see, what services are you really looking to target and what areas are you really looking to target, and then come up with a custom plan and strategy for how we're going to rank in those areas, because there is a ton of opportunity with roofing. I mean, the search volume is huge, and there's areas that there's just not a lot of, there's obviously competition as far as business goes, but outranking the competition, it would not be difficult. So yeah, people are paying these companies are paying $39 per click for roofing company Pittsburgh to Google. And so they're paying this to Google, and people are, landing on those sites for like 10 seconds, and they're paying Google $40 for that click, essentially. But then once they stop paying Google that money, Google's putting their site right back down to where it would organically be ranking. So why not get your site organically ranking so you don't have to pay Google for those ads in those areas? And it doesn't make sense to me, I guess. I want to help people organically rank their sites. So again, I would love to talk to you more about what I do and how, we could come up with a strategy to target these areas. My phone number is 814-440-4621. My name's Kayla. I own KO Marketing, just like a local business, really, just trying to help other local businesses. So give me a call, send me an email back, even if you just want to give me some feedback on this video. I would appreciate that too. But I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.